Good day, class! How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to another video lesson in TLE 9 Cookery, Quarter 2, Module 4. Present a variety of salads and dressings based on most essential learning competencies. After going through this video lesson, you should be able to number 1. Present salads and dressing attractively. Number 2. Observe sanitary practices presenting salad and dressing. Number 3. Identify the accompaniments of salad and dressings. Are you ready now, class? If you are ready, let's get started. Structure of a salad. Plated salad has 4 parts: the base or underliner, body, garnish, and dressing. Base or underliner. A cup-shaped leaves of iceberg or Boston lettuce make attractive bases. They give height to salad. Body, the main part of the salad. Garnish, an edible decorative item that is added to salad to give eye appeal and adds form as well. It should harmonize with the rest of the salad ingredients. Dressing, a seasoned liquid or semi-liquid added to the body of the salad to give added flavor, tartness, spiciness, and moistness. Dressing may be added at service time or served separately for the customer to add or mix with the ingredients ahead of time. Guidelines for arranging salads. Number 1. Keep the salad off the rim of the plate. Number 2. Strive for a good balance of colors. Number 3. Height helps make a salad attractive. Number 4. Cut ingredient neatly. Number 5. Make every ingredient identifiable. And number 6. Keep it simple. Factors and techniques in presenting and plating salads. A salad that is well presented is appealing, beautiful, colorful, and captivating in the eyes of the diners. It allows the diner to identify the food ingredients, their quality, and the technique used in preparation. Number 1. Choose salad greens that are fresh and crisp. One of the most desirable characteristics of vegetable intended to be eaten raw is crispiness of vegetables. In washing vegetables, soak in cold water with a pinch of salt. Then, wash thoroughly in cold running water. Place in a colander and drain well. Greens that are wet when combined with the dressing can cause the dressing to dilute and taste less. Number 2. Choose pleasing combinations with a contrast in color, texture, form, size, and flavor. The natural color of the fruits and vegetables make the preparation of salad pleasing to eyes and igniting the sense of taste. Number 3. Choose correct dressing. Make sure that the dressing should complement and harmonize with the other ingredients of the salad. Number 4. Arrange salad attractively and avoid mixed appearance. Toss ingredients likely to avoid crush or bruise the vegetables. Mixed arrangements require too much time and undue amount of handling the ingredients, which will result to wilting of vegetables. Number 5. Use appropriate salad bowls or salad plates. Salad looks better on white solid plates or bowls. It should be the focus. When preparing salads and dressings, always remember, number 1, wear personal protective equipment like apron, plastic disposable hand gloves, hairnet, mask, and shoes. Number 2, wash your hands regularly or before and after preparing foods. Number 3, clean, maintain, and store tools, utensils, and equipment properly. Number 4, clean and sanitize the working area. Accompaniments of salad. Salad is more appetizing when eaten with accompaniments. It serves as palate refresher. Here are some accompaniments of salad. Grilled or fried chicken pieces. Grilled or fried shrimp. Fish steak. Seafood, meat and chicken. Cocktails and beer.
A few moments later.
Time is up! I hope you learned something new. I hope to see you in our next video lesson.
Kung ikaw ay bago at nagustuhan mo ang aking video o napadaan ka lang, maaari mong i-click ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa aking channel. Thank you for watching!